Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back for another video on the View into Huck's World. Today, we got some important information for you guys to check out if you're thinking about buying the Galaxy Fold 4 or the Galaxy Buds Pro 2 and or the Galaxy Watch 5, the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Then you want to check out this deal. You got a couple of days to do so, less than 2 days. Reserve these things right now. Now, if you reserve the Galaxy Z Fold 4, you're going to get a $100 credit to buy some other accessories. And you're also going to get a $200 credit on the Galaxy Buds Pro 2 and the Galaxy Watch 5, the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, and or you could do a bundle with those two. I think it's a great deal. So if you're thinking about doing it, go ahead, reserve now, and then you'll be able to use this toward your pre-order after the event. All right, so with that being said, go ahead, check this out ASAP. This will not last long. They say while supplies last, and these things may go pretty quickly. If you like this video, go ahead, hit the thanks button, support the channel. I could use the support. Hit that like button, smash the notification bell. Remember, you all, subscribe to the channel. We got more content coming your way. I'm going to see you all at the next video. Enjoy life, have some fun. Remember, always, you all, be safe.